Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is middle of the week number 41. This is October 13th, 2021. We're in the middle of the week. So this is looking pretty good. I say good because whenever it's relatively flat, that's a really good thing. NASDAQ looks strong, everything else looks weak. Bank earnings are on deck, and let's see how the markets react this week. Before we go trading, I want to let you know if you want to join a group with less spam or no spammers, join Investing 102. You can level up your thinking and talk to other investors for all your ideas. Facebook group Investing 102. Okay, we're in ETrade now. So today I want to talk about SOFI. You see that I got in SOFI at $15 and change. I'm already up 20%. I have a cover call here. I have a cash secure put here and a cover call here. So how will I manage this position considering that I just did these things last week? So there's a couple things I want to do. My idea is let's roll this out and up and out. So we're going to push this strike price higher. We'll push this strike price higher. We'll move the cash secure put. I already reaped the $51 profit, but we're going to roll this up. So this will be closer to the $19. Collect some premium, use that premium to pay for rolling the cover calls up. Okay, so that's the strategy. There is an earnings coming out for SOFI, and that is on November 10th for SOFI. So you want to be aware of the actual volatility. It can pop $1 or it can drop $2. So these are things that you need to consider around this earnings date. And I wanted to show you just like that in literally a few minutes. I did fix all my SOFI here, and you'll see that I adjusted all my SOFI right here. So I collected a small premium to do all that, and I did move up the strike price $1 here. This one I moved the cash secure put $1 up. I used the premium to pay for the other moves, and on this one here I moved this one $1 up. So by doing this, you can see I added $2 or $200 back into my pocket. On one of them I collected a premium, one of them I pay a debit, and then the other one here I collected a premium to add $1 of risk because cash secure put takes away $100 of my buying power, but I'm okay with that. Again, I'm just positioning for the future earnings. So what does it look like after? So here's my SOFI. You see all the trade dates have been updated for SOFI. I collected about $28 in the end. And you can see that over here. You see this, you got a 40 cents credit for moving the cash secure put. I moved it up $1 out 1 week. I moved this one for 7 cents, moved it up $1. I moved this one up $1, and it cost me $19 here. $1 here for. So in net, what's the risk? I collected potentially $200 more on the upside with my strike price. I moved up a cash secure put $1, and it's still safe because today's at $19. I just basically moved it to $16.50, collected a premium. I took some of that premium to pay for these moves. So that's how I'm playing it. There is an earnings coming up on November 10th, so a lot of this stuff can change and everything will move, but that's how I'm playing it. And this is what it looks like after. On my Investing 102 Facebook group, I post the before and after what it looks like. Let me see if I can do some other trades today. And the last move I just did, I just sold 2 contracts of Ford for next month. A $13 strike price for a cash secure put. I collected $14. So why do this? You can get about 1% return per month. I'm actually going to try to play both sides of it. I'm going to do cash secure puts and a cover call on Ford because Ford has been, it's been really moving up. It was single digits 6 months ago. It moved all the way up to $15, and it may go back down a little bit, and I think it's trying to run up to 16 or 17. But in the meantime, I'm not trying to predict where it's going to end up. Again, what I want to do is play both sides of it. If I can make 1% of my money per month, that's on a boring company like Ford, and that's really, to me, a really safe bet. But I'm also making more on the upside, on the call side. So combined together, it'll be pretty good, along with some other stuff that I'm doing. Like I said, I have some higher risk stuff like Riot Blockchain or other stuff that I'm making 1% a week. This is more of a boring play. It's 1% a month, but I have some cash sitting in account, so that's what I'm going to do here. But that's it for today. The markets look like they're starting to go downtrending, and I'm okay with that. Like I said, I'm not too worried about it. I don't have to watch I don't have a lot of gamma risk. I don't have to watch my stuff every hour. I just roll out, and when I roll out 2 or 3 weeks at a time. So I'm okay. I already did my SOFI adjustment for today, did my forward. I'm going to wait and see what happens, and I'll look for something else to do for tomorrow. With that being said, comment below. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know if the last 6 weeks have been okay for you. And again, thumbs up, subscribe, and let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time. As always, have a profitable day. Bye-bye.